Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get 2,000 coins easily. And this is from getting into Tung Tung Tung's basement, or cave I guess you could say. I would recommend bringing a gun. Right, let's get into it. So first, from spawn you need to go just straight, fully straight until you see this village. When you see this village, in here, there should be a key under this, or behind it even, like so. Then, around here, there might be a monster, but normally there's one that spawns right here. If it doesn't spawn here, then that's good. You just want to carry on going this way. So once you get in the church, turn left. Try to avoid all the monsters. When you see the lava, you just need to get past it. I'd recommend just launching yourself and swimming. The only problem with that is that you get pretty low. So you could use one of them block. See, there's something. He is invincible, so if you did try and shoot him, he would not die. If you can get past him and get into his little cave, if you put that in, you will get the 2,000 coins. But because I already claimed it, I didn't get it, obviously. So you can't just carry on doing it over and over again. Right, that's it.